Skin snake fruit. I see why, because it looks like a snake skin. Oh, oh, it's like two big pegs. Is it kind of creamy?
I will take one for you. Take it.
Ooh.
Watch out, they have seed inside this. What it tastes like?
I've eaten. Wait, there's a fruit that it tastes like. I just can't think of the fruit right now. What am I getting? There's a fruit that I know that the flavor is similar.
Similar.
Yes.
You forget the name.
So, not much of an adventure when it comes to different foods, but seeing that I'm in Bali, I thought it wouldn't hurt to try different fruits. So, I think these are called snakeskin fruit, and it does look like the skin of a snake. I've never tried. Okay, this is my breakfast platter. So I'll take this out of the way because I've had those before: pineapple, papaya, watermelon, and dragon fruit. Mangosteen. I've never had mangosteen. And I hope the mangosteen is not like the dragon fruit, where I hope it's a reverse. You know, the dragon fruit, especially the magenta one, looks really pretty on the outside and then it tastes like nothing. So I'm hoping for better for the mangosteen. I know mango. I've had a mango, like we have mangoes in Jamaica. And I don't remember what these ones are called. I think it's an R word. They're like lychee cousin. So yeah. So okay, these mangosteen feel hard. I don't know if they're rotten, but a local told me that one way to know how many pegs that you have is by looking at the bottom. So this one, if we go, so this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I should get 7 edible fruits or whatever. This one has 5. So I guess when you go to the market or you pick it, I would want to select the ones that have more, so I can get more. This doesn't have a lot, and yeah, those are the fruits that I have. Lots of the snake skin ones. All right, so let us try it. So I was told in order to open the mangosteen, I should hold it in my hand. Ooh! And it splits. Ugh. Ugh. So I tasted some of the juice that came out in my hand, and I don't like it. It's bitter. So hopefully that's not the case with the fruit. Okay, Adi. I don't know if I did it right. Oh. Right. Okay, I think this one is really, really ripe. Look at that. And I think it's really, really ripe, so it's soft. Oh, it's juicy. I've never tasted anything quite like it. One would think that because it looks like almost like a star apple, a sapodia, it would have the same consistency or taste, but that's not what I'm getting. Oh, I like it. It's a bit tart and sweet. I guess when it's well ripe. Ripen. I thought they said they had seeds in it. I haven't gotten any seeds yet. It's so good. Oh, so good. Oh, look at this fat. Oh, look at this fat one. Oh, so juicy. This is so good. So it has one seed. This one had one seed. It's hard to get the meat off, the flesh off, but it has one seed. It's so good. Oops. Nice, nice view. Okay, so we have this fruit in. Okay, I've seen this fruit in TNT. It's a Asian supermarket. I guess mostly Chinese supermarket in Canada, but I haven't tried it. So let's do that. Doesn't feel rotten. All right. I'll look up the name of it when I'm done. Okay, I don't. I might need a thing to open it with. I thought it would be easy to open like the guinea or lychee. Oh, okay. There we go. Oops. Oh, I don't think this one is all that good. It has stuff on it. Okay. It's thick. Oh, why is it so dirty? But anyway, this is what it looks like. Okay. Yeah. It's fresher than the lychee and the guinea. I don't mean because it's not really ripe. I don't know. But I don't hate it. It's kind of like the dragon fruit, where it looks pretty on the outside, but it's not very pretty on the inside. I mean, the flavor is off. And then I have these that are called a snake skin fruit. I mean, it, it does look like the skin is a snake skin. I've never seen like a snake skin in person. But it looks like it. Just open it. Ooh. Yep. Looks like a snake skin. Ooh, it looks like garlic. Yeah. My hands are not aesthetical pleasing, you know. I have to set up my camera in a weird way. But yeah, it does look like the skin of a snake. What I imagine the skin of a snake would look like. No, it looks like 3 cloves of garlic. How cute. All right. Oh. Wonder if it's meant to be rotten. Ooh. Maybe I should put some in the sun and see if it gets ripe. Oh, does it have a seed? Okay. It doesn't smell like garlic. It's crunchy. I don't know if you've had a proper jackfruit, like when you bite into it and there's a crunch, it's not too soft. I mean, it's rotten, but it's not too soft and mushy. Sort of a crunch, like a good bite. It's like I've eaten this fruit before. Like it has flavors of things that I'm familiar with. So, I'm not sure if it's an apple or like which apple it's reminding me of. And I'm also getting a little pineapple vibe from it. I wonder if let it ripen more, if the flavors would come out even more. I like the seed. Oh, the seed is cute. the lychee cousin seed, that one, snake skin, and the mangosteen flat. So yeah, thanks for stopping by and watching me try fruits that I've never tried before. Aldi, my Smile Bali guide told me that I should not eat too many of the snakeskin fruit or salad because a tourist became ill. But I did some reading when I came back, and it's because the salak slash snake skin fruit has a lot of fiber, and so an overconsumption of it would result in constipation, bloating, etc. I'm curious if any of you guys have had any of these fruits before. As I said, I'm not big on different fruits, but I did enjoy these ones.